So, you took the Brand Vitals assessment, and maybe it confirmed what you already knew. Your brand looks good on the surface, but something underneath just isn't aligned. You're not alone. I've seen it over and over. Passionate entrepreneurs pouring time, money, and energy into their business, only to end up with a brand that feels scattered, disconnected, or honestly, just plain tired. Well, one of my clients, we'll call her Danielle, had the right tools, but her message muddled, her audience confused, her confidence hanging on by a thread. That's when she booked her brand detox. And let me tell you, everything changed. This isn't a one and done strategy call. The brand detox is a 3-part experience that takes your brand from chaotic to clear without the overwhelm. We go through 3 powerful phases. Phase 1, the purge. This is where we get real. We'll unpack your brand vital results, strip down your brand, and identify what's serving you and what's sabotaging you. We're not here to add more fluff. We're here to detox. Phase 2, the reset. Once you've cleared the clutter, we rebuild. We'll align your message, clarify your position in the market, and craft a plan that makes your brand feel like you, but elevated and effective. Phase 3, the booster. Now it's time to move. This final session is your confidence injection, your accountability call to make sure you're taking bold action with your new brand clarity. The Brand Detox isn't just a cute name. It's a brand healing experience. And if your business has been running on fumes or misalignment, this is your sign. Danielle left our sessions with renewed clarity, a clear offer, and a brand that finally matched her brilliance. Now, she's booking aligned clients and showing up without second-guessing every post or pitch. You deserve that too. So if your brand vitals hit you with a few red flags, book your brand detox today. We start with the purge, and trust me, once we get the junk out of the way, everything gets lighter, clearer, and so much more powerful. Let's rebuild your brand with clarity and confidence. Your brand deserves it. You deserve it.